You've been a Democrat for a long, long time. What did you learn at that early age that stuck with you today as you've grown up and matured and have a family?
Yeah. You know, what I learned first and foremost is that progress is possible. When I was working in the Clinton White House, we were able to balance the budget. We were able to expand health care for people. We were able to protect Social Security. I worked with then Vice President Gore to help sound the alarm for the climate crisis that we're now facing. And I also learned that the decisions that get made in Washington and throughout our political process matter. They matter to people. You know, as you said, I am somebody who's a father. My kids are in middle school and high school now. They're fifth-generation Arizonans. And they're fifth generation through my wife's family. We've lived here for 20 years and been active in this community. My four grandparents, though, were concentration camp survivors. And my parents grew up under a communist dictatorship. And I was born here in the United States, but always grew up believing that we shouldn't take our democracy for granted. And yet, right now, when we look at what's happening in Washington, we're seeing exactly that happening. We're seeing our democracy under threat. We're seeing the climate crisis. We're seeing economic opportunity disappear for people. And what I learned in those years was that the decisions that we make in Washington are really ones that have a profound impact throughout our entire country.